Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and hope you all are doing great. And today's video is gonna very much interesting because it's an unboxing video which is from Avon. Someone ordered me some products. I can't say she's my client because she's my sister, you can say. So yeah, for her I ordered some products, so I want to share with you guys. So it's too big parcel. So yeah, this is the parcel. So I'm gonna open it, and first of all, this is something. It's not a usable product. Okay. So first product is this one. It's Avon True Neutral Effects, and it's the medium range. Like in Avon, three ranges are there, like medium range, high range, and low range. So this is the medium range, and it's a Hydro Boost cleanser, and it's for normal and dry skin. Okay, so she have a normal skin, so I suggest her the product Hydro Boost. And this is the scrub, and it's actually three in one, like cleanser, scrub, mask. So it's very usable product. And also this is the toner I suggest her because toner is not available. That's why I'm told her that use this one, and it's the high range which I am using like since 3 or 4 years maybe. So yeah, I'm very much liking it. And the fourth product is again this one, and this one is Hydro Boost Day Cream, and also it's include SPF 15. It's very nice product. So after that, okay, this is the Hydra Gel Cream. See, this is for night cream. Okay, so this is the products, and the interesting thing is like, because I'm a representative, and when we are purchasing above 15,000, there was some gifts Avon sale us in a what can I say, like very minimum amount. And the cleanser as a gift Avon sent me because I purchased like 15,000 above. Sorry, not 15,000, 1,500. So it's cost like see 299, but I just pay only 149. So it's as a gift. And the second gift is very interesting. Um, it's a tiffin box, stainless steel, double walled lunch box, which also cost around 999, I guess. Yeah, it's cost 999, and I just got it from Avon 249 as a gift. So I just opened it. It's very beautiful and very classy. So yeah, this is the look of the tiffin box, and this is the chain. And after open, it's look like this. And also yeah, this kind of box. I just opened one for you. Yeah, this, and this is a lid also, and this is the space. For one person, it's enough. So yeah. So this is my opening video regarding Avon, and also in a short video I can also mention all these products, like how it's working. So for that, stay tuned with my videos and also short videos, and I hope you guys liked my this video. And if you like my video, please watch, subscribe, and also share with everyone, like your friends, family, and who are your close. So till then, take care. Bye. Thank you so much for watching my video.